Good morning student. This video for class 9 students. Today we will start this type number second factorization of grouping. I observed that students are not going through the videos properly. This is my humble request to the 9th class student. Please go through the videos and encourage the other students also, your friends also, to go through the videos. It is just like your regular classes. The lockdown is continuation in continuation, maybe how many days it will be continued. Please try to complete your work through these videos. So today in this series I am going to start this topic, factorization by grouping. So in this group, what I am going to tell you, I have to first revise the type number 1. What is type number 1? Type number 1, you have to take the common directly going through the question. If anything is common, you will directly take the common. But in this question, if you are going through this question, look at this, no overall common is available in this particular question because it is 3x, it is 6y. So x is not common over here. X is square, here x is common but y is not available here. Here x and y both are available, so overall is not common. But if we make the groups, see here, I made this group first. This is one of the group, this is another group, this second part is another group. So here what I did, I have taken x is common, so x plus 2y, it will be in this bracket. Here I have taken 3 common, so x plus 2y here also, x plus 2y here also. So both the terms are containing x plus 2y, so overall it has taken common outside, so in the bracket it will be 3 plus x. So finally this is the answer for this particular type. So here you have to make the groups, then you can solve the question. Otherwise it is not possible to make the to go for factorization for this particular part. So this is the called type number second, factorization by grouping. Okay, so continue this topic. Now look at this exercise. This is 4.2. Look at one by one. All the questions which is given in this exercise can be solved by the help of this grouping method only. I will solve for some questions for you. Just see one by one. So we are going to start exercise 4.2. Okay. Question number 1, first part I am taking. The first question is x square plus xy minus x minus y. So in this question, overall common is not available. So I have to make the groups. The first group I am making x square plus xy. This is the first group. The second group is minus x minus y. So from this group, if I will take x common, so it will be x plus y. Here nothing is common, so I am taking minus 1 common because 1 is common to all. So it will be x plus y. Now after making the groups and taking out the common, you see x plus y is coming overall common. X plus y is available here also, x plus y available here also. So overall it is common, so x plus y will be outside the bracket, and in the second bracket x minus 1, and this is the answer for this particular part. So you should try the second part for this particular question. Now look at the another question. It is little bit difficult for you. Look at this question. In the first question, you see the groups are available directly. So you made these two portion in a group, this two portion in another group. But in this question, it is not possible to make the groups if you take this one this together and this together. So what I did, I have taken this 5xy and 5y square together, and 7y and minus 7x I have taken in another group. So this is my first group and this is the second group. From the first group, what is common? 5y is a common, so 5y is outside the bracket. So inside the bracket it will be x minus y. From here you see 7 is common, but because in the first group it has come x is positive, so I have taken minus 7 is common in the second group. So this y will be negative and this x will be positive. Now this can be written as x minus y also. In the first group x minus y, it is already available, so overall it is common, x minus y. So 5y minus 7 is the another factor. Okay, so this is the right way to solve this question. Look at once more this portion and this portion. Now look at the another question. This question is little bit easier for you. Here the grouping is taken first and second term together and third and fourth term together. So in these two terms I have taken common. This common is only for these two terms, so it is AB common. So inside the bracket it is A minus B. Here 3 is common, so A minus B has come common in both the terms. It has taken outside, so AB plus 3 is the second factor. So this is question number 3. This is the first part. So you should solve the second part. Now look at this question. In this question also direct grouping is not possible. What I did, I have taken this 6xy square and this 10y together and 3 minus 3xy and 5 together. So from these two group, this first group I have taken 2y common. So it is 2 3 is 6 and 2 5 is 10. So this 3xy minus 5 it is available in the first group. From the second group nothing is common, so minus 1 is common, so it has become 3xy minus 5 again. So overall 3xy minus 5 is common, so it is common outside. Inside the bracket it is 2y minus 1. So this is the final answer for this part. So students, see the fifth question first part. In this part 1 minus a minus b plus ab. So 4 portions are here. So I have taken first 2 together and next 2 together. In the first 2 nothing is common, so 1 is taken out. 1 minus a in bracket. Here minus b is common, so it will be 1 minus a. So 1 minus a here also, 1 minus a here also, overall outside, so it is 1 minus b, and this is the final answer for this part. So student, take the help from these questions and try to do the questions yourself and mark the question which you are not able to solve. Mark it in your book or write down in your copy, so you, when the contact classes will be there, we will continue and I will clarify your doubts. Thank you very much.